No man is so wise that he cannot be wiser. Good morning, everybody. This is Naval Singh in front of you with another story. Story name is Rocks and Pebbles. One day, a teacher came in front of the student and he asked to the student, "What are you seeing on the table?" He came with the pebbles, rocks, sand, and a cane, empty cane. The student rose from their chair and said in unison, "Sir, you have some rocks, pebbles, sand, and an empty cane on a table." And everybody was surprised that what the teacher is going to do in the next 1 minute. The teacher said, "Today we are going to do an experiment in front of you. So everybody look at us so that we can show you what is going to be in the next couple of minutes." What he did, he asked two students to come in front of him and put some rocks into the empty cane. Two students, Suresh and Ramesh, came and they filled some rocks on the cane, and he asked to the student, can they fill it once more? The student said in unison that they cannot fill it anymore because it's already filled. Not a single rock can fill it completely. So the teacher was expecting the same answer. He took out some pebbles and said and asked two more students to come and join and fill it again with the pebbles. Those two students filled the cane, put some pebbles on the cane, and the teacher shook that cane lightly, and the pebbles adjust themselves between the rocks. And the students were fully surprised to see all this experiment. So the teacher said, "Would you like to see more on this? Can you fill this cane again?" Every students were surprised and said, "No, we cannot fill it anymore because it's already packed and filled." This, and the teacher said to ask to come two more students to fill it with the sand. The student filled it with the sand, and the teacher shook that cane again to adjust those sand between the pebbles and rocks. The students were very surprised to see this experiment. The teacher asked again to the student, "Will you be able to fill it again?" The student was surprised, and the teacher asked one cane of water. So the students resemble themselves to know that the teacher is not going to defeat. Definitely he is going to do something else which we cannot assume. So the teacher asked two more students to fill it with the water. So now every student was surprised and were understand that we can fill it with some other waters, some more water. And the teacher asked to the student, "Will you able to more water into it?" That every student were surprised and gave answer, yes, they can fill it with the more water. Now the teacher asked to the student, "What did you understand with this experiment?" The students were amazed but were not able to give the answer to the teacher. The teacher said, our mind is just like a cane. We can fill it with the first, we can fill it with the rocks, we can fill it with the pebbles, then we can fill it with the with the sand, water, and air, like this. So our mind is just like that. Just we grab the things. First, we need to grab the things in the high manner. Let's say once you were in the class first, you were able to learn ABCD and other alphabets. Then you gradually grow up and you understand the words, letter, then you understand the sentences, paragraph, and all. Now if some person thinks that he is specialized in some one criteria, but now he has full knowledge, but it's not a correct information. Every person who has knowledge can fill his knowledge with the some more knowledge. So we can say that no man is so wise that he cannot grow wiser. Thank you very much.